Yeah, hôm nay học về thực sự nhiều thứ luôn ạ. Rồi, mình sắp start trực lại rồi mà. Quả như bài draft, CNN, supervised learning. Đây, hôm nay có 3 bài. Này là đầu ngày tiếp tục implement về Python environment và isolate environment. Um, yeah, I'm such quite new with Python developers, and that's why yeah, as same as always, environment is such a complicated problem that we're always facing on like you. I think it's there are a lot of question always poses in your minds like so what is the PIP and why is we have to use PIP to install the libraries, and it is similar with there's numpy with the npm npm in React or GS, like something like that, or maybe sometime or yeah, maybe in this time I'm install all the project and install all Python, Pete and config all of them, but yeah, after quiet time when I'm running this project again, and sometime it's got problem and it's told me that it cannot recognize the PIP can this didn't understand what is PIP or Python or something like that, and I aware that it's all Python environment, and for expandable is about the isolate environment for the Python project, and I'm yeah, take a deep breath, take a snap, and find some things. Yeah, follow something. This all the question that I'm facing to when I'm working with Python project. First, it's about what is PIP, or the PIP can use for other language beside Python. How to use PIP to install Leaf, and like I mean that how to use this in a smart way and in the most convenience way. Uh, the next the next question is what is virtual environment? What is anaconda, mini conda, and conda? So why we have to set Python environment part and script part? Yeah, and yeah, as I said this before, sometimes I cannot call Python or P in my project or in my CMD command prop. I don't know why, because I already installed all of them before. And in advance, how can I set up isolate environment for specific Python project? How do how to do it in VS Code, and why I have to set up the interpreter in VS Code? Yeah, that is all of the question that I face into, and I have to yeah give the answer. And I have the refers uh, website for all the information that I have study and researching to answer all my questions. So PIP, PIP is the support frame. Is not a framework. Is a support plugin. It's like Python is Python is a package in that you have to install package Python to run the code and run a Python environment. And PIP is plugin that is combined with the Python for for Python developer to download and install all the library in using for the Python project. And you have to install PIP. You have to check the PIP. You didn't have to install PIP because when you download the Python, PIP will be packed in the Python. It also packed in the script folder in the Python folder. And the question is, why we have to yeah why we have to set the environment part for Python and for the PIP? We know that Python and PIP such like they are the .exe, that is execution file, and that is the application in computers. So you want to enter this in all from anywhere in your computers, from any directories in computers. You have to uh, how to say because from you have to let the every directory can see the can understand and know the PIP part, and there's a Python part. Part is exactly directory uh, to the PIP file, pip.exe file, and the Python file. So we have to define them in environment part. When we define them in the environment part, we can access them in every directory in the laptop and the environments. That is why we have to define them. So how about yeah virtual envs or anacoders, mini coders, and condor, anaconders and mini condor, and uh do you know that the fact is you have to work with a lot of project. I think that for the newbie like me, or there's the seniors, they we have this same problem, is we have to work with a lot of project, and each project is have constraint like they have a lot of libraries. They have to have a lot of configs, and with each library is constrained with each other, and it requires the version of each other's. It's it's locked, and then you have to define, because sometimes you have to use this version of Python and PIP for this project, but another project you have to maybe downgrade, maybe upgrade them. So how can we use this like for the smoothly way and like a smart way? Yeah. The easiest way, that is create the specific environment in X project. And then when you run the code in this project, is use the specific environment, and you didn't have to rebuild, re-download all the libraries, and you didn't have to import all of them to do for the first shot. So virtual environment or Anaconda, Miniconda, and Conda support us to use that. Virtual environment allow us that is a basic support for uh, Python project. It support us to create the job env folders inside your Python project, and it will, yeah, set up all the information about the Python version, Python Python pip, and another library that you download and you define in your requirements file. The same as Anaconda, but virtual environment is always work in your, yeah, project directory. But with Anacondas and Miniconda is work in like you are define the separate environment in your PC or laptop, and that is yeah, it's narrowed down. As not narrowed down, that is wider than there's virtual environment. It's used for all of your PC, and you can access all of them. Yeah, it's all. I think that for me, uh, I think I use Anaconda. Mini corner is I I cannot. Right now, I didn't understand and didn't know there's, yeah, the case study and how to use them in this like the smart way. But I think it's with like a lot of Python project. I think that use our virtual envs is the easiest way for us to control the thing that we have and control the directory part. And yeah, it's easiest way for me to visualize, yeah, understand. um yeah, about the question, sometimes I cannot call the Python or pip in the project in the common part. That is because you're missing the environment part, and you have to check again the environment part. Or maybe that your virtual environment didn't have, yeah, like I said, environment part is as define the Python and pip parts for specific environment. That maybe the root environment, or maybe the sub environment that you create by Anaconda and Miniconda, or maybe that the specific environment, the virtual environment in the Python project, and maybe you have to define them to use all things. So in advance, how can we isolate the environment in Python project? Yes, in Python project, you only users env dot env space and dot env, so you can create the folders. It will automatically create the folder with the env, and yeah, after that you can active these envs and renders requirements with the libraries and all things. And VS Code, after run all of that, you have this interpreter that you're using, that is a Python version for this. That is all about the Python environments. And next to what to VEC embedding. Oh yeah, I have done a lot of researching with the NLPs and do some sample project. Uh, yeah, I'm using Gemini to give me the suggestion and for the project that I'm done. And that is the first. And today I'm learning to about the CNN for sentiments classification. Uh, we know that this about the overall approach for CNN for about the CNN for sentiment classification. It's or we have the three part. First is prepare for our vocab is we have to choose the vocab content like you can load this from the cargo or something like that. You have to choose there's word embedding like yeah, there are a lot of word embedding model like what to vec, um, fast take, nerve and bird transformers, yeah, gbt, and after that we have to prepare pre-processing with your tags like tokenizers, embedding words, or maybe embedding this token. And after that, we have to combine the pa- the sentence into the vector embedding uh, into the magic. And with X1 is a vector embedding of the token. Yeah, after that we combine them in the share. And it's convolution layers. We have the first layer is about the content embedding layers. The next is the convolution layers. After that is a lot of convolution layers that the pooling, reloos, fully connected layer for classification. Yeah, of course that is the last layer. That is so simple, and we can define a lot of layer in that. Yeah, that is simple. Code lab simple here. Yeah. So now I'm researching about object object recognition with backup word, object classification and recognition with backup word. That is both model. Let's get learning. Yeah, I'm finding some papers. I'm also implement some short project. Um, I have to ask my friend. Yeah, my friend is in all my episodes. My friend is talking about the Google Gemini's, Google AI Gemini's, and I'm also asking him to generate me some approach with that, with both for like a CNN, both for convolution, both with SVM. Nope, you not allowed. You are not allowed. Chị đây.
Học không anh?
Hả?
Anh ngủ chưa?
Đang nằm học rồi.
À ok, thế rồi nằm tiếp đi. Để em làm nốt cái này.
Đang nằm học rồi. Anh đang livestream.
Livestream nằm à?
Điền livestream tắt đây. Đang livestream. tổng hợp lại nội dung hôm nay học cái gì. Hôm nay phải thứ hai có hai bài thuyết trình bằng tiếng Anh
Ở công ty á?
ở công ty nhưng mà với khách hàng.
Ôi giời ơi, chúc mừng.
Ờ,
Tại sao anh vẫn lạc quan được nhỉ? Em mà bị như anh chắc là em
bị như anh là bị như gì?
bị nhiều việc như anh.
Thì liên quan đến lạc quan.
Lạc quan mà em thấy anh lạc quan lắm.
Thì ý là liên quan đến chuyện lạc quan hay không, thế không lạc quan thì nó có bớt việc đi không?
Thì đấy, vấn đề là em không được như thế.
Không được là sao? Anh không thấy logic gì cả. Thì tại sao phải phải không lạc quan, tại sao phải phải xù lông xù cánh lên làm gì?
Không phải xù lông xù cánh mà là kiểu mình cảm thấy là ok, rất là nhiều gánh nặng mà nhưng mà mình vẫn sẽ phải vượt qua. Nhưng mà mình không thể enjoy được với cái quãng thời gian mà mình sẽ
Thế á?
viết về nó.
Thế chắc tùy người, chắc insight mỗi người khác nhau. Chắc anh là người người không bình thường, em người bình thường.
À, đúng vậy.
Ừ, kiểu thế. Anh chưa bình thường hay nó thế. Vui mà, thấy có nhiều 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 thứ để thử thách mình, nhiều thứ để mình được, nhiều thứ để mình được, mình đạt được, mình làm được thì mình làm thôi. Mặc dù anh cũng thấy mình tham vãi, mình làm nhiều thứ vãi đái, nhưng mà kệ, thế mới vui. Nào học bài nào. Yeah, I'm researching about the object classification and recognition using backup word model. That is one of my big projects. For others, open CV subject.
Bye bye.
Hả? Mà gì?
Em bảo bye bye.
Hả?
Em bảo là em đi đây.
Đi đây à?
Ừ.
Đi lên xem livestream à?
Không, em đi học đây.
Đi học đi.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Anh lên sóng livestream tiếp đây. Uh, like yeah, as says I'm implement the three version of this, three approach version. Some of them work, some of them not. The CNN version is work, but yeah, it's not quite good. And then I figured I have to make a research more deeper about reading, yeah, like reading some papers to understand how they approach with this, and yeah, how this can solve the problem and improve the object classification or maybe the recognition. Yeah, I see some project and some papers. Yeah, from 2016, 10 years ago, using surf and bow model, full text PDF. What the hell? Nah, introduce object recognition backward model. Yeah, Professor Fei Lee, Stanford Vision Lab. Yeah, I think Stanford is good. It maybe is the good reference for me. But that is a slide or lecture. Oh, that is lecture slide. Oh, it's okay. It's good. Chalo them. Keep. What is that? Ah, stuff. It not with paper with coach. Refers partial contour, efficient matching, histogram oriented grading. Yeah, yeah. I'm learning a lot of yeah areas of AIs in the same time, and yeah, I realize that I need more time to go deeper in X areas. Yeah, to understand them too. Maybe that reprocess, review the paper, or maybe that yeah have time to implement or like a some problem or the downstream task for understanding more deeper. Mhm. Mm. Key takeaway: self backward detection. Mm. Yeah, I remember that about the approach of this is with X image. Mm, we will use the way to separate it into the vectors features. And after that, we will gather them in a group. Each group that will represent for the maybe that the nearest object or the nearest meanings with each other's. Like that is a clusterings, and we will use a vocabulary to get represent for this cluster by the vision word, and then yeah, feature description, feature vector, right? Oh, I'm so stressed. I have to go to sleep now. It's such a long day.